Hi, I'm Brenda from the Avant Garden Shop. Welcome to another episode of The Garden Gate. It's sometimes hard to keep the kids busy when it's hot out in the summer, so we pulled together a few things that the kids might like to do, whether it's outside in the garden or inside working on a little kit of crafts. Simple books, how to feed the birds, some really nice pictures in there, what kind of things they like to eat, little feeders they can make. We have some great books by local authors too. This one's by Jacob Rodenberg and Kathy Dueck, and it's all kinds of activities that you can do with the kids. So if they might need a hand, then that's a great little book to have maybe at the cottage, or just something that they can get some ideas from. We have a little bird call, so if they like to go out hiking, this is a great little bird call. You can put on a little leather strap and wear it. Makes a really neat sound, and that brings the birds around. So if you're out bird watching, that will bring the birds around. We also have a really fun little book that helps you identify the birds. So you click on the little button over here, and then you get the song of the bird, and you can read about the bird at the same time and learn a little bit about them and hear their call, because that's a hard one, is to try and recognize their calls. For little kids, we have metal watering cans. How great is that? A little metal pail, metal tools. We have gloves, a few other little kits that they can make. These are little paint by layers craft kits, so it's all separate little kits. You paint each layer, put it back together. Really fun for the kids to do. We have so many great ideas, so pop by and we can show you what we have. Thanks for joining me. See you next time.
The Garden Gate is brought to you by the Avant Garden Shop, your destination for garden accessories and backyard birding supplies. Sherbrooke Street, downtown Peterborough.